Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about a list of Constitutional Amendment Act of India. That is up to 103 amendments up to 2019. Okay, the first amendment was added ninth schedule to protect the land reform. Added three restrictions on freedom of speech and expression. Before 1951, there were only eight schedules, but after 1951, they have added another schedule to protect the land reform. The Second Amendment Act. The Second Amendment Act, that's on 1952. In Lok Sabha, one member could represent even more than 7 lakhs and 50,000 persons. And the Third Amendment Act was amendmented on 1954. This is to entirely regarding agricultural commodities like cattle fodder, raw cotton, cottonseed, and raw jute in public interest. And the Fourth Amendment Act was 1955. This is if the acquisition of property. If the acquisition of private property has means they should compensate the value regarding the marketing value of the property. They should provide a money equal amount of money regarding the marketing value of a property. After that I can accuse the property. Fifth amendment act was on 1955. The reservation seats for SCs and STs were extended, and the seats in Anglo Indians in Lok Sabha. And another one is there is a legislative assembly's period extended up to 10 years. The Sixth Amendment Act, you can they kept taxes on all important goods sales and purchases apart from newspapers, because newspapers were um, sales apart from our own nation, our state, or interstate trade. So apart from newspaper, the government kept a tax for other goods. Seventh Amendment Act 1956 state reorganization. Eighth Amendment Act 1955 abolition of Jamindari system were abolished on 1959. Ninth Amendment Act 1960. The Peribari Union was provided to Pakistan according to the agreement on 1958. 10th Amendment Act 1961. Dadra and Nagar Haveli were joined with Indian Union. 11th Amendment Act 1961. 12th Amendment Act 1962. Goa, Diu and Daman were incorporated with Indian Union. 13th Amendment Act 1962. The status of state given to Nagaland. 14th Amendment Act 1962. Puducherry was joined with Indian Union. 15th Amendment Act. The retirement age of High Court judges increased from 60 to 62 years. 16th Amendment Act 1963. The government have included sovereignty and integrity in the form of votes for the legislature, contestants of legislatures, members of legislature, ministers, judges, and CAG. 17th Amendment Act 1964. 1964 17th Amendment Act prohibited the acquisition of land. 17th Amendment Act 1964 prohibited the acquisition of land under personal cultivation unless the market value of the land is paid as compensation. That's we have already we have already saw one amendment act uh, regarding property acquisition, and this we have seen they should provide the equal amount according to the marketing value of the property. The same thing is happen here, that is, if they did not have any ability to provide the marketing value of the property, means they should not accuse the land. That's the matter here. This is 17th Amendment Act 1964. On the 18th Amendment Act 1966 is to form a new state, a new territory, or we can merge a union territory to form a new state. This is the 1966 18th Amendment Act. And the 19th Amendment Act was 1966 election tribunals and vested the power to hear election. The 20th Amendment Act 1966. In Uttar Pradesh, certain appointments of district judges were cancelled. That's a 20th Amendment Act.